In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of Miss Randomness Channel. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and we're going for a drive. So the place we're visiting is in Kiambu County. Kiambu County is somewhere close to Nairobi. It's actually a few minutes drive. Considering you can leave Nairobi and in 30 minutes you're going to be in this place, I think that's a plus. The place is ideal for afternoon drives or maybe a day's drive where you can go chill, have something to eat, and then come back to Nairobi. And also the beauty, you can be so close to town, but you're not feeling the madness of Nairobi. Through our drive, this was our first stop. We visited the Waterfalls Inn, and in my opinion, from the first impression, is that the prices are crazy, guys. Look at this. So these prices, it does not matter whether you are coming just to check out the place or you are just passing through or you need to check it out so that you can bring a few people. It does not matter, but you need to pay certain amounts just to get in. I think one of the most amazing things about this place is the view. The views are it. You actually get a view of Nairobi City. So one of the most amazing things about this place is the waterfall. To get to the waterfall, you have to go down through this forest. So that's what we're doing now. We finally made it. The walk is like less than 5 minutes walk downhill. So it's not so far. There's no way I was going to be watching this waterfall from a distance, so I just decided to take off my shoes and go down to the water.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment you.
But the place was too windy, I couldn't get any closer. I just decided to go sit on the side and soak my feet in water. The rainbow and the sound of the water splashing on the ground, I think that's my favorite part. This is heading back. Going up was not as easy as coming down, definitely. So we finally made it, and that's the view of Nairobi from a distance. I don't think my camera captures it right. The order that we had made for something to eat when we get back was quite disappointing. The only good thing was the fries, and our order included samosas, spring rolls, and sausages, and all of them were disappointing. So I suggest that if you're going to the place, maybe you can order something different and it's gonna be good.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you.
This swing was one of the best ideas in this place. It's so relaxing, like you can just chill here and enjoy the view. That's my sister and my niece having a mommy daughter moment. So guys, let me plug you. If you're looking for anywhere to go and spend quality time with your loved ones on a very chill day and a chill vibe, this place is it. We had a great time for the few hours that we were here and decided to leave and continue with our drive before it gets dark. We stopped by this place to take a few pictures and also have a better view of the sunset. And this place, as you can see from the video, it's really beautiful. So if you get time, just visit. You're going to enjoy the drive. Also, please remember to share my video, like it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back. I love you guys and I appreciate you so much. Bye guys, that's it for today.